All insights in this video are based on real market research and verified online sources. Our goal is to help you make smarter moves with AI and earn better. Hey everyone, welcome to AI Hustle Hub. This is the place where we explore how AI tools can help you earn smarter, not harder. In today's video, we're revealing 5 free AI tools that people are already using in 2025 to make real money online. Let's dive right in. Our first tool is ChatGPT by OpenAI. You can use ChatGPT to write YouTube scripts, blog posts, product descriptions, or even complete client projects. People are already earning by selling ChatGPT-generated content on Fiverr and Upwork. All it takes is great prompts, creativity, and consistency. With the right approach, this one tool can become your personal digital assistant for income. Next up, Canva AI. It's one of the easiest tools to design professional thumbnails, social media posts, and ads in seconds. Canva's Magic Studio can even generate visuals from text prompts. Freelancers are using it to create branding packages and charging up to $50 per design. If you're creative, this is one of the fastest ways to start earning online. Number 3, Pika Labs and Runway ML. Both are game changers. They let you generate short videos from text. For example, type "a futuristic office with robots working" and get a full clip in seconds. Content creators are using these clips for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and ad videos. AI video creation is one of the hottest money-making niches of 2025, coming in at number 4, Notion AI. It's more than just a note app. It's your personal AI assistant for productivity. It can write summaries, generate ideas, and even help plan your projects. You can offer services like AI productivity systems setup and charge clients for time-saving workflows. This tool helps you stay organized while making money. And finally, Opus Clip and WiseCut, perfect for video creators. They can automatically cut long videos into short viral clips ready for YouTube Shorts and Reels. Editors are charging anywhere from $50 to $200 for these services. If you're into video editing, these tools can help you build a high-demand skill without spending hours manually cutting content. So, those were 5 free AI tools that can help you start earning smarter in 2025. Each one can open a new income stream if you stay consistent and creative. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to grow with AI. And remember, don't work hard, work smart with AI Hustle Hub.